Yes, people. Yes, people. Hope everybody is fine, doing well. Those that have that is enjoying the break, this international break at the moment. Uh, I hope you guys are feeling well. Yes, Liverpool supporters, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's give our team prayers and encouragement that they need. Next game is Manchester United. It's our home game at Anfield. So this is Anfield on 85, um, Power 764, coming to you from a sunny South Africa this day. Nice, normal. Like I said, it's on 85 Anfield. So yeah, guys, I woke up this morning and I just felt that I need to take a look at the stats of Mo Salah, the most underrated player, I think, in the English game at the moment. So yeah, like I said, guys, I'm gonna take an in-depth look of what he has done at Liverpool so far. So he came to Liverpool. We signed him as a player in the 2017-2018 season. He started that year. I think he started 34 games. Um, he had 10 assists in that season, and the goals that he scored was actually for that year was total goals was 32 goals for us. 32 goals his first year, guys. He was exploding on the scene, and yeah, he just a phenomenal. Like I said, red cards in his career at Liverpool is zero. It means he has been at Liverpool for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11 seasons now, guys. 1, 2, 4, 11 seasons, and not once has he picked up a red card. Phenomenal player. I don't want to talk even about his injuries. Never. I can't. Maybe the last previous year that he picked up a injury, but I can't know of a Mo Salah that has ever been injured. So, guys, first season played 34 games. He had 10 assists, 32 32 goals. That's the whole season that he played. No, I'm lying. That is 32 goals that he scored. That was excellent. He was fouled in that year. Was 29 times he was fouled. So yeah, guys. So the output in the first year, brilliant. Second year, Liverpool, the 2018-2019 season, he played 37 games and he scored 22 goals. His assist was 8. So he's around about getting there, guys. Now he's being talked about as a player that he has done it twice, 2 seasons in a row. Can he do it? Um, can he do it more times? He received in the two past two only one yellow card. So it means that this is a player that has discipline, guys. Has discipline. This is the Mo Salah, the Egyptian king that we all are praising every year. So the next year, the 2020 season, I think that is the year that we've won the league. And we've been crowned champions. That is the COVID year, if I'm not mistaken. He played 33 games in that season, got one yellow card, no reds again, guys. He scored 19 goals, 10 assists. So his assists, guys, he put the standard in there, got 10 assists. He now has, in 3 years running, he has 28 assists, which places him in a goal involvement of how many, guys? Come on, yes. Come on, let's round it up. It's 19 goals, 20, 32. It's about 90 goals involvement that Mo Salah has been into. Remember, that's a team that Jurgen Klopp has built up to get to this point where we are winning the Premier League. The 2020-21 season, he played 34 games in that season. His goals was 22 goals, and his assists was 5. So I wouldn't say that it's a prolific season, but again, guys, he's delivering year after year after year. This is the Mo Salah that you guys are saying this year is a bad guy. He's not playing well. But in all the other years, he was still younger at that time. He was producing us goals, guys. The next year, just giving you the stats. This is the stats, guys. This is the stats that you guys say he's not good. He's not everything. So the next year, he played 30 games. He scored 23 goals, 13 assists, 0 red cards, one yellow card to that year, and he suffered that year. He suffered how many fouls? It's 23 fouls that he has suffered in that year, which means that he was actually in a moving forward position, in an offensive position where we could have gained more goals, more free kicks. So other plays in or other game stats was also implicated or also involved, or that's the best word now to say these guys. So because of his foul, the foul that he has gotten, maybe a Virgil van Dijk scored a goal. Maybe it led to a corner kick where we scored from the. So those are the other areas where Mo Salah has also guys just exploded onto the scene. So the next year, 2023, let us go there. He played 37 goals, 37 games, 19 goals, 13 assists. Again, guys, his consistency is very brilliant. And then, guys, in the 2023-2024 season, he played 28 games. He had 18 goals, 10 assists, 2 yellow cards, no reds. That is what the epic of Mo Salah is. Brilliant. Guys, let us go. Let us go. 2023, 2024, 2025 season, Mo Salah played 38 games, all of the games he played. Let's just read the stat. Goals, 29. Assists, 18 assists. So it means that 18 other goals were scored because of Mo Salah. The previous year, 10 other goals were scored because of Mo Salah. The year before that, 13 other goals. The year before that, 13 other goals. I can go down the line, guys. He was involved in goal contributions to Liverpool, the team that we are supporting, and now we are saying he's not great. He's one of the GOATs of the Premier League, guys. That is I'm certain now this year. Let's check it out. 25-26 season. He played 7 games. He scored 2 goals. And listen here. He scored 2 goals and he assisted 2 goals. So it means that, the way I see it, for every 3 goals that he will score, he will assist 3 other more goals. And that is what's brilliant about Mo Salah, guys. So while you are pushing him down, I'm uplifting the great Mohamed Salah, the Egyptian player, the Egyptian king. So guys, if you like this video, guys, I'm just giving you the stats so far. I could have gone in more detailed stats, but that's just his involvement in Liverpool, the team that we support. So I will make more next. I will try to just to do a piece on Florian Wirtz, where he was actually involved in I don't want to say was involved in goals. He had assists, but he plays other players in goal in areas where they should have scored. So guys, if you like the video, subscribe to this channel, like this video, hit the notification bell so whenever I drop a new video, that you guys will get up to date. So guys, be cool, be safe wherever you go, and big up to Liverpool, preparing for our next game against Manchester United, the arch rivals, the team that we hate to lose again, our next big enemy.